everyone, welcome to my channel Colors in Life. In today's video, we will see how I created this beautiful wall decor using popsicle sticks or ice cream sticks. This is a first wall decor with heart-shaped popsicle sticks and tassels. Let's start with the process. First, I am placing the sticks in a heart shape and then sticking it with the glue. Let it dry, then take woolen thread and measure it like this. You can use any color of your choice. Take 11 such strands and then tie it in the middle. Then make a knot at the edge of heart shape like this. Keep doing it. Repeat the same process with white woolen thread. Cut out the extra wool from the edges. Now I am making tassels. For that, take a small piece of cardboard, place a thread on it, and start wrapping a thread around the cardboard. I made 50 such rounds. Then tie a knot with the string which we placed on the cardboard. Cut it from the bottom and then even out the edges. Take a woolen strand and tie a knot like this. Now my tassel is ready. I made 5 tassels in pink color and 4 in white. Now I am attaching the tassel to the popsicle with the woolen thread like this. I wanted to give some thickness to the heart shape. Hence, stick 2 popsicle like this and made 14 such pieces. Then stick this double popsicle on the heart. Let it dry. To give some wooden finish, I painted it with PU polish. And after drying, this is how it's looking. I really love the way it turned out. Added some fairy lights inside the heart, and trust me, it's looking so beautiful and giving such a warm and cozy vibe. Second DIY is this cute little bird frame. I made a rectangle with popsicle like this, sticking it with Fevicol. Let it dry, and once it dried properly, tie a black colored woolen thread. Now, to hide the knots and the thread on the edges, I am covering that with the popsicle and sticking with the Fevicol. On colored pages, I am drawing birds. You can use any color of your choice and then cutting it out. Now I am sticking the transparent gelatin paper on the back of the frame so that birds will have some support at the back. Sticking it with the glue. Then to give it wooden finishing, I am coloring that with PU polish. And my bird frame is ready. You know the best part about this frame is it takes color of the background, and especially with the plain background, it looks really beautiful. third wall decor is the painting on Popsicle. I started with making a Popsicle canvas. Attach 2 Popsicle horizontally and 14 vertically. This is how I secured it from the back. After this, I thought it was looking uneven. So to make it even, I again stick 14 Popsicles and then painted it in a dark blue. Then started making mandala on this Popsicle canvas. This white color really pops up on dark blue background. I wrote dream on this painting. If you are not confident of drawing the mandala or letters directly with the brush, first draw it with the pencil and then with the brush. And yes, my beautiful Popsicle canvas is ready. You can hang it on the wall, place it on a side table, and this will definitely enhance the look of the surrounding. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. It means a lot. Thank you.